So, Mike, this is my new favorite massage gun.
Are you sure?
I think so. Absolutely.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
So, I have 7 good reasons, and here they are. Number 1, I like the look. Nice and sleek.
Yeah, so it looks like a Star Trek gun.
Yeah, easy to handle. So, one of the best parts are the 5 heads.
Yes, he has the soft round head on there. It also comes with an air-filled head, a bullet head, we call this calf,
Field
and
goal.
forearm field goal, back maybe.
I love this rubberized one.
And we have
Hard
this new
rubber.
rubberized one. It kind of looks like a mushroom,
There we go.
but it's nice and soft. Well, it's kind of firm, actually.
So, it has a good stall first, Mike.
So that meaning,
Tough to make it stop.
yes, he's pushing down as hard as he can, trying to make it stop, and it's still running.
Still going.
And the fourth thing is it's very
It's quiet.
Yeah, it's less than 55 decibels loud. You can't even hear it right now. The fifth reason this is a good massage gun is it comes with a 1-year warranty. So if it breaks down or you want to exchange it, just
Guarantee.
you guaranteed. Just send it back in, no questions asked. We'll get your money back or get you a new massage gun. And the battery life is also good for up to 200 minutes. So you just charge it. It's wireless
That's
after that.
3 hours, 20 minutes.
Bob did the math. He's smarter than me.
All right.
So just give it a good charge, and you can run around with it for
Off you
hours.
go. So, Mike, it's very economical.
Yes, this is our cheapest, as in the amount of money you pay
Less
for it,
expensive.
but still good quality compared to other massage guns on the market with the same amount of power.
Right. Agreed.